Do you want to learn a skill that almost every company in India is hiring for right now? Not coding, not just AI, but data analytics. Because today, companies don't make decisions based on guesswork. They use data. Startups use it to grow faster, e commerce brands use it to increase sales, marketing teams use it to improve performance. And guess what? All of them need data analysts. So if you know Excel, SQL, Python, or even basic dashboards like Power BI or Tableau, you already have a strong foundation. You don't need to be a hardcore programmer for this. You just need to understand numbers, patterns, trends, and business logic. That's why data analytics is exploding in India right now. And here's proof for that. So you can go to Unstop, and in the search bar, you can search for data. Now, once you search for data in jobs, you will see companies which are actively hiring because every business wants one thing, and that is better decisions. And better decisions come from better data. So if you want a skill that works in tech, finance, consulting, startups, data analytics is one of the smartest skills which you can learn in 2026.